Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a money box. A simple yet effective tool for managing your finances. A money box is a container where you can store your coins and bills, helping you to save money, track your expenses, and develop good financial habits. First, choose a money box that suits your needs. You can opt for a physical box or a digital app, whichever you prefer. If you choose a physical box, make sure it is secure and has separate compartments for different denominations. Next, set a goal for what you want to achieve with your money box. This could be saving for a specific purpose, such as a vacation or a big purchase, or simply building up your emergency fund. Having a clear goal in mind will help you stay motivated to use your money box regularly. Now, let's talk about how to use your money box on a daily basis. Start by dividing your income into different categories, such as savings, expenses, and disposable income. Allocate a portion of your income to your money box, and make sure to put in a fixed amount regularly. For example, you could decide to put in a certain amount of money every day or every week. Consistency is key when it comes to using a money box, so try to make it a habit to put in money at the same time every day or week. As you continue to use your money box, make sure to track your progress regularly. Check how much money you have saved, and see if you are on track to meet your goals. You can also use your money box to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses, and allocate that money to your savings instead. Finally, consider implementing some best practices to get the most out of your money box. For instance, you could set up a system where you save a certain amount of money every time you receive a paycheck. Or you could challenge yourself to save a certain amount of money within a specific time frame. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use a money box to manage your finances, achieve your financial goals, and develop good financial habits that will benefit you in the long run. Remember to stay consistent, track your progress, and adjust your strategy as needed to get the most out of your money box.